Hi friends, this is EDU-WIZARD with a new video. Many different simulations are done in the ANSYS. Now I am going to take this simulation into our real life and simple problems. Many of us are familiar with the hammering action on a nail on a wooden board. Have you thought about the different stresses and the deformation acting on the nail? Let us find out. Let us analyze it. Okay, before moving into the workbench, make sure that you subscribe the channel and click the bell button to receive the notifications. And also share the videos and like the videos. Post your comments below. Okay, now I have taken the static structural from the analysis systems, and I will be naming this static structural as. Okay, now we shall move forward towards the engineering data. In the engineering data, we need to assign the material for the nail, and I am choosing the material structural steel. Okay, steel is being chosen here, and now let us move towards the geometry section. And the geometry section, let us see that I have drawn the two circles. One is the outer circle with a diameter of 10 mm and other is the inside circle with a diameter of 6 mm. Outside circle will be showing the top portion of the nail. It is somewhat flat portion and where we are going to hammer, and the inside circle will be giving the bottom portion or the portion below the top portion of the nail. Okay, now let us extrude this. We have extruded the top portion, and now we need to further extrude the below portions coming after the top portion, where all the pressure will be acting. We have done the extrusion, and now I hope that the geometry is complete. I am not making this nail pointed section since we are only analyzing the topmost portion above the pointed section. Okay, click the generate option, and now we can move forward towards the modeling section. Double tap on the modeling section. Now we can mesh this. Click on mesh, then generate mesh. Okay, after performing this meshing, okay, I have taken the modeling section and I have performed the meshing operation by clicking generate mesh option. Okay, then we need to provide the fixed supports. Right click on the static structural, then insert fixed support, and I am going to select the fixed support and I am going to apply it on this face. Okay, right, I have applied support, and now I need to apply the pressure will be applied on this face. Okay, this is the pressure will be applied on this face, and the amount of the pressure will be 7500 MPa. Assuming the force acting on this topmost portion be 0.5 something, then we will be obtaining the pressure of 7000 megapascal. Okay, that is done, and now let us view the total deformation part. Let us solve it before viewing. This is the deformation seen here. Let us view the animation video of the deformation. We can see that the stresses will be concentrated on the top portion. Top portion will be having a red color, which means that the stresses will be very high in that portion, and the stresses will be decreasing towards the bottom portion.